To translate accurately, you need to have thorough knowledge of vocabulary, noun endings, verb endings. If your knowledge of any of these isn't good enough, translation will always be difficult. English and Latin are very different. English makes sense through word order. Latin makes sense through word endings. In order to understand a Latin sentence properly, you need to analyze it before you translate it. You need to identify the verb, the nominative, the accusative. Analysis involves breaking a sentence down into parts. We identify the nominative, the accusative, and the verb. Always find the verb first. Look for a noun in the nominative case. Look for a noun in the accusative case. Translate any other words in the sentence. The verb often comes at the end of the sentence. If there is no noun in the nominative case, we say that the subject is in the verb. Look at the ending of the verb. The ending tells you who is doing the it. If the ending is first or second person, there probably won't be a nominative in the sentence. If the ending is third person singular, there may be a noun in the nominative singular. If not, translate he, she, it, depending on context. If the ending is third person plural, there may be a noun in the nominative plural. If not, translate they. If the subject is in the verb, translate the verb. If it isn't, link the verb with the nominative and translate them together. Unless it is in the verb, the subject will be in the nominative case. Search for a noun with nominative endings. If the verb is singular, the nominative will be singular. If the verb is plural, the nominative will be plural. Link the nominative with the verb and translate together. The object will be in the accusative case. Search for a noun with accusative endings. Check if the ending is singular or plural. Never make the accusative do the verb. Look at this sentence. Per hieros mittimus. Mittimus, first person plural of mitto, mitteri. We send. The subject is in the verb. We. Per hieros is accusative plural. Boys. Translation, we send the boys. In this sentence, senes could be nominative or accusative. How do we know which case? By analyzing the sentence we have found another noun that is in the accusative case. Agricolum. In addition, the verb is in the third person plural form, and needs a nominative plural noun like senes. Therefore senes must be in the nominative case. Audiunt, third person plural form of audio, audere. Here. Senesis is nominative plural. Old men hear. Agricolum is accusative singular. Farmer. Translation, the old men hear the farmer. Remember. Always find the verb first. Look for a noun in the nominative case. Look for a noun in the accusative case. Translate any other words in the sentence.